Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Like I told y'all, I'm all about trying new things, and so your girl has ordered a wig off of Amazon just because, you know, it's a trial and error, and so we're gonna do this together. We're going to put this wig together. My friend suggested that I try a U-wig as a beginner just because, you know, I don't know how to do all that melting and like putting the cap and like putting the got to be glue and all that stuff and then waiting for it to glue. And so yeah, we're gonna do this, you know, just see how it goes. So yeah, yep, this should be exciting. I have freshly washed hair. My hair is starting to grow out, but I tried to find like the closest color to my hair, and so I got like an, I guess you can say auburn, like the mixture. So yeah, I will, you know, show you guys right here. But let's get into the video. All right, let's open this bad baby real fast. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, or you had an amazing day, depending on when you're watching this. So it says made in China. So this is the packaging. Let's see. Oh, lashes. Oh, and they gave me a wig cap. Oh, a weaving cap. Okay. So this should be exciting. Oh my god. I am so nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it has so much static. Oh my god. I keep saying oh my god. This is not the same. I don't know if this is gonna work. And it's short. Oh my god. This is going to be okay. See it through, KJ. See it through. Alright, you guys. Here is the wig. This is not the color I was looking for.
Oh my god. I thought
this does not even match mine. Oh, this is why I don't wear fake hair. This is why I don't wear wigs. Like, I find like the cutest wigs. I'm like, oh my god, I would totally try that. No. Y'all, I've been staring at this wig for the past 15 minutes. Like I was looking at the reviews, and like some of the girls were like, oh my god, it's like the best wig. I'm like, oh, okay, you know, like it had like amazing views on it, and they're like, oh my god, it's amazing, buy this wig, buy it. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do it. So you know what, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna see it through. We're gonna do this, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna braid my hair and part it and all that stuff, so I'm gonna fast forward.
Unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Alright, my hair is braided braided down. It ain't the prettiest braids, but it's going under so nobody's gonna see it. The growth is real. I'm gonna go ahead and pin those back with the rubber band. All right, let's take and pin this. Okay, there we go. It's pinned under. So now I'm gonna leave out, like I said.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing baby, saying baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night.
I won't do this again. I will never do this ever again. Never let my friend talk me into this. God. No ma'am. Like these, like the girls in the club. Have all this leave out and just looks horrible. But we're gonna, let me see. My hair is about the same length as this. I mean, it's about the same color. I don't know. We're gonna see how it goes. Cause I ain't gonna ever wear this like down. I don't like the back. Let me see. I feel like it looks like, let me see. Look at my camera. I feel like it looks poofy in the back. I want it to kind of lay straight. So, pull this down. And then pull this one down. Some people don't put braids on with this. I think that's what they were saying too. The cap is humongous, they said. The cap should have been a little bit smaller. And I will say, this cap is big. But,
okay. No, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
alright, y'all. Fix myself real fast. Here is the end result. Oh, God, man. Here's the end result. I did put some Bio Silk on there and a wax stick. I just seen that from a lot of the tutorials that I've watched, and like people when they do like the breakdown, they use a wax stick to help with like the flyaways. And then of course I did put some some kind of like just shine and conditioner just to like, I guess, give the wig some life. But this is what it looks like, you guys. I know the beginning I was like, what the heck? But I'm feeling it a little bit. My hair goes with the wig because when I straighten my hair looks like, you know, like a wig, I guess. And so, but this is, you know, part of me getting outside my comfort zone. And so this is what it looks like, you guys. Yeah. This is an Amazon wig. I will, like I said, I'll show you guys or link down below what it is called if you guys want to get the wig. It is definitely a U wig. It's not that much leave out, but you know, I did this just because I want to not do my hair all the time and taking a break from braids for a little bit. So this would be a nice little week or 2 week hairstyle, and then take it out, wash my hair and all that stuff. But I guess, you know, help with like growth. A lot of people they take their wigs down, they have a lot of new growth and a lot, like their hair is really, really long. And so, you know, like I told y'all in like a previous video, I cut my hair off, I think 2-3 years ago. And so my hair has been growing wonderfully. And I want to keep that healthy hair growth. And so I'm going to try to do things, get outside my comfort zone. And this is definitely one of them, because I hate wearing wigs because I can't touch my scalp. Like if I can't touch my scalp or scratch it, it feels weird. But, you know, it is what it is. So if you have watched this video up until now, thank you so much. I ask that you like, comment, and please do not forget to subscribe so you can be notified on any future videos that I do make. This journey, come along this journey with me. If you like what you've seen today, you guys can look at some other previous videos that I have to wear with skincare, makeup, thrifting, just everything into my life. But I'll see you guys back in my next vlog.